Hey guys, Chris, Coolie Shooter. I'm out at the range, got my G44. This is my original G44, the one that's probably got over 2,000 rounds through it now. I got 8 mags with me. I'm gonna mag dump 8 mags and see if there's any issues. I'm gonna try to do it as fast as I can. I got a mixture of cellular and bellet, and just some copper jacketed federal stuff. So we're just gonna go through it. Well, you can see it's just kind of mixed in without. So we're gonna go down. First 10. Oh. My trigger finger's getting tired. I'm gonna say it is. Two mags to go. I still missed the odd one. Shouldn't be missing. All right, clear. Let's look at that round. So it was a lead round, and it looks like the nose kind of came up. Well, I'm all for trying to make it count. Well, fired it. All right, so that was 80 rounds with one issue. And I think it just, as it came up, either the lead nose was bent just a little bit, or she got a little aggressive, and because it's lead, hit the top part and jammed up. But I mean, it is a 22, so if that's the only round I'm gonna have, or an issue I'm gonna have in 80 rounds, shooting off as fast as my albeit cold and tired fingers are, yeah, that's not an issue in my mind. But I mean, to each their own. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, and take care. Join a gun club, get out there and do some shooting, bring a friend with you. Thanks for watching. Bye.